Hello everyone, I am Anjali Chauhan and you are watching One Academy videos. Here we are covering history MCQ series topic wise on our YouTube channel. So please join this Telegram group, that is Vani Mehra. Here you can ask your doubts related to any topic of history. This is Vani Mehra, okay? So the source of our MCQ series is Class 6 NCERT History, which we have already completed. So today we are going to cover the only conclusion part, that is the conclusion MCQs of all the topics. Okay, so as I already told you that Vani Mehra ma'am has covering various GS courses on Unacademy Plus, and she has recently completed the Polity Foundation course, that is on One Academy for UPSC Civil Services exam, and she's recently started that is from 14th of July the Geography Foundation course also. So don't waste your time, just use this referral code, it is Vani Mehra, and by using this you can get 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. So today's topic is conclusion of class 6 MCQs. As I already told you that we are just going to cover, we are just going to complete our class 6 NCERT, that is हमने सारे टॉपिक्स को कंप्लीट कर लिया है जो कि क्लास 6 NCERT में है. सो नाउ वी आर कंक्लूडिंग दिस. सो कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो सारे टॉपिक्स में से कवर हो रहे हैं. सो वो मैं दो वीडियोस में दिखाऊंगी. सो दिस इज द पार्ट 1 ऑफ दिस कंक्लूजन. First question is, consider the following statements. First, Mahayan Buddhism believes in idol worship of Buddha. Second, in Mahayan Buddhism, once bodhisattvas attained enlightenment, they could live in complete isolation and meditate in peace. Now select the correct statement using the code given below, A, B, C and D. Now according to you, what's the answer? So the correct answer here is A, one only. That is, a new form of Buddhism known as Mahayan Buddhism had two distinct features. This is the information from class 6 NCERT. Earlier, the Buddha's presence was shown in sculpture by using certain signs. For instance, his attainment of enlightenment was shown by sculptures of the people tree. Now, statues of the Buddha were made. Many of these were made in Mathura, while others were made in Takshila. Now, the second feature is that was a belief in bodhisattvas. They were supposed to be persons who had attained enlightenment. Once they attained enlightenment, they could live in complete isolation and meditate in peace. However, instead of doing that, they remained in the world to teach and help other people. The worship of bodhisattvas became very popular and spread throughout Central Asia, China, and later to Korea and Japan. So this is the second information, and according to the second feature, the second statement goes correct here, and according to the first distinctive feature or the information, we can say that the first statement also goes correct here. So both the statements are correct here. Sorry, very sorry. Only the first statement goes correct here and the second statement goes incorrect here, because it is mentioned here that the second change was a belief in bodhisattvas. That was supposed to be person who had enlightenment. Once they attained enlightenment, they could live in complete isolation. But it is mentioned here that bodhisattvas attained enlightenment, they could live in complete isolation, meditate in peace. So वो enlightenment attain करने के बाद isolation में रहते थे, पहले नहीं. Okay, that is mentioned here. Okay, so that's why the second statement goes incorrect here. Next question, consider the following statements. First, in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and other parts of Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Theravada Buddhism was more popular. Second, Nalanda is a large Buddhist monastery in the ancient kingdom of Magad in India. Now select the correct answer using these codes given below, A, B, C and D. So the correct answer here is C, that is both 1 and 2. Buddhism also spread southeastwards to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and other parts of Southeast Asia including Indonesia. The older form of Buddhism known as Theravada Buddhism was more popular in these areas. That's why the we can see the first statement goes correct here. In Nalanda, unique center of Buddhist learning, that is given here, that is second statement. And Xuan Zhang and other pilgrims spent time studying in Nalanda, and this site is located in the southeast of Patna near the town of Bihar Sharif, and was a center of learning from the 5th century CE to 1200 CE. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site also. So Nalanda is a unique center of Buddhist learning that is located near the town of Bihar, that is in Patna, and here is Magad also located. So here it is mentioned that it is the largest Buddhist monastery in the ancient kingdom of Magad in India, so it is correct here. Here it is not mentioned about Magad, but क्योंकि यहाँ पे mention है कि पटना में था और बिहार में है वो, और यहाँ पे हमें ये भी पता है कि मगध भी बिहार में, that's why we can connect it here. Okay, so second statement also goes correct here. So both the statements are correct. That's why the answer is C here. Consider the following statements. First, the Kushanas were among the earliest rulers of the subcontinent to issue gold coins. Second, the most famous Kushana ruler was Kanishk. Now select the correct answer using these codes given below, A, B, C and D. So the correct answer here is C, both 1 and 2. The Kushanas were among the earliest rulers of the subcontinent to issue gold coins, and these were used by the traders along the Silk Route. The most famous Kushana ruler was Kanishk, who ruled around 1900 years ago. He organized a Buddhist council where scholars met and discussed important matters. So according to that, we can say that the second statement goes correct, and in the first paragraph it is mentioned, so it is the first statement goes correct here. So the correct answer is C here. Next, question number 4. Consider the following statements. First, bhakti comes from the Sanskrit term bhaj, meaning to divide and share. Second, those who followed the system of bhakti emphasized devotion and individual worship of a god or goddess rather than the performance of elaborate sacrifices. Now select the correct answer using these codes given below, A, B, C and D. So the correct answer here is, sorry for the voice, मेरा थोड़ा गला खराब है. Answer C, that is both 1 and 2. Bhakti comes from the Sanskrit term bhaj, meaning to divide or share. This suggests an intimate two-way relationship between the deity and the devotee. And bhakti is directed towards Bhagavat, which is often translated as God, but also means one who possesses and shares bhag, literally good fortune or bliss. The devotee known as the bhakta or the bhagavad share his or her chosen deity's bhag. Now, bhakti is generally understood as a person's devotion to his or chosen deity, and these deities include Shiva, Vishnu, and goddesses such as Durga. So, the correct answer here is C. Next question, consider the following statements. Around 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad introduced a new religion, Islam, in Arabia. Second, Arab soldiers conquered Sindh about 1300 years ago. Now select the correct answer using these codes given below here in option A, B, C and D. So the correct answer here is C, both 1 and 2. This is the information. Around 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad introduced a new religion, that is Islam, in Arabia, and like Christianity, Islam was a religion that laid stress on the equality and unity of all before Allah, the one supreme God. Within 100 years, Islam spread to North Africa, Spain, Iran and India. Arab sailors who were already familiar with the coastal settlements of the subcontinent now brought the new religion with them, and Arab soldiers conquered Sindh in present-day Pakistan about 1300 years ago. So the correct answer here is C. Next question, question number 6. Consider the following pairs. First, you have to just identify the correct matching pair here. First, Ahol, Maharashtra. Second, Kanchipuram, Kerala. Third, Prayag, Uttar Pradesh. These are the places located here. These are the places mentioned here. You have to identify the correct state where these places are located. So, which of the following pairs are correctly matched here? A, B, C and D. So, the correct answer here is D. 3 only. Why? Ahol is in Karnataka, not in Maharashtra, and Kanchipuram is in Tamil Nadu, not in Kerala, and Prayag is in Uttar Pradesh. That is जो पहले इलाहाबाद के नाम से जाना जाता था, now Prayag, that is Prayagraj, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 7. Consider the following statements. First, about 2000 years ago, Christianity emerged in West Asia. Second, Christians of Kerala no